Hello friends, this is Dhruvi here. Okay, I have tried a lot of various methods to remove makeup. Like there are a lot of videos, so I'll put the link in the description box or click on that I button so you'll get those different videos, like different ways to remove makeup. So this time I'll be using this wipes. Yeah, I have ordered from Nyka. I'll put the link in the description box as well. It is of colorbar and it says on the go makeup remover wipes. Okay, so I have tried those cotton pads with that water wala makeup remover. I have tried cream based remover. I have tried Vaseline. I have tried oil. And yeah, this time wipes. Like I was wondering why I leave wipes. I need to try these also. Okay, so it is this way and it has this nice packaging and it can be removed. Like this is really nice, super comfortable and very handy. You can carry it anywhere. And a disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. This is something I have ordered by my own money. Okay, so I'll open from here. Just open this packet, remove one wipes, and it is just like a tissue paper. Smell is super awesome. Now I'll open this and just keep on my face and wipe like a tissue paper. Yeah, it is coming. Yeah, see my full hands ka shape is on this wipes. Means makeup is coming out. So it is easy. So if you are traveling somewhere, this is super comfortable and very nice. Like, yeah. See, lipstick is also removed, yeah. But I won't remove that much. I look bad on camera. Doesn't matter, obviously. But it was just fine. Yes, everything is removed, I guess. My eyeshadow is also done. Yeah, my face is without makeup now. Okay guys, so this is super comfortable. Yes, you can see this dirty tissue paper, like dirty wipes. Yeah, blue is my liner and eyeshadow, red is lipstick, black is mascara, and this cream is foundation and all those stuffs. Okay, so it is super comfortable. Okay, so for next time if you're going at destination wedding or at someone else's space, then you can carry this. This is super comfortable and it's really not that tacky and it is amazing. So my second favorite product to remove makeup, first will be obviously Vaseline, and this and that Garnier wala thing would be at same level because both are very easy. But then also I'll incline more towards this because I just love this and this is really easy. Like shit man, you can remove your makeup in your car also. It is so easy, like super easy, super. You don't need mirror, anything. It is literally easy. I just loved it. Yeah, okay, I won't make this video too long. Yeah, that was all for today, and if you liked my video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and comment below if you try this product, like how it is, so other people may also know like how it's working. Yeah, that was all for today. Bye bye, see you in next video. Don't forget to subscribe.